Have you ever considered adding more fruits to your raw food diet? Eating a diet that consists mostly of raw fruits and vegetables is not only healthy but also incredibly delicious. Fruits are an amazing source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help protect our bodies from disease. They are also sweet and delicious, making them a perfect addition to any raw food diet. In this blog post, we will explore the sweet side of health and how adding more fruits to your raw food diet can help you maintain a healthy lifestyle. Why go raw? Are you looking for a way to improve your health and overall well-being? Consider going raw. A raw food diet involves consuming mostly uncooked and unprocessed foods, such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. But why should you go raw? What are the benefits of eating a raw food diet? In this section, we will explore the reasons why going raw can be a game changer for your health. One of the main reasons people choose to go raw is because of the abundance of nutrients found in raw fruits and vegetables. When we cook our food, we often lose a significant amount of vitamins and minerals. By eating raw, we are able to preserve these essential nutrients and provide our bodies with the fuel they need to thrive. Raw foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, all of which are crucial for maintaining a healthy immune system and preventing disease. What is a raw food diet? A raw food diet is a way of eating that focuses on consuming mostly uncooked and unprocessed foods. The key principle of this diet is to eat foods in their most natural and nutrient-dense state. The raw food diet includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds, which are all consumed raw or minimally cooked. By eating raw, we are able to benefit from the high nutritional content of these foods. Cooking food often leads to a loss of essential nutrients such as vitamins and minerals. When we consume raw foods, we are able to preserve these nutrients, ensuring that our bodies receive the maximum benefit from what we eat. Raw foods are also packed with enzymes, which aid in digestion and promote optimal nutrient absorption. One of the main reasons people choose to follow a raw food diet is because of its health benefits. By consuming a diet rich in raw fruits and vegetables, we provide our bodies with an abundance of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients help to support a healthy immune system, promote cardiovascular health, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer. When it comes to the benefits of eating raw foods, the list is endless. Consuming a diet rich in raw fruits and vegetables can have a transformative effect on our health and overall well-being. Here are just a few of the many benefits of eating raw foods. Increased nutrient intake. Raw foods are packed with essential nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. By eating these foods in their raw state, we are able to preserve these nutrients and ensure that our bodies receive the maximum benefit. These nutrients are crucial for supporting a healthy immune system, promoting cardiovascular health, and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Improved digestion. Raw foods are naturally high in fiber, which aids in digestion and promotes regular bowel movements. This can help to alleviate digestive issues such as bloating, constipation, and indigestion. By consuming a diet rich in raw fruits and vegetables, we can support a healthy digestive system and improve overall gut health. Increased energy levels. When we consume cooked and processed foods, our bodies have to work harder to break them down and extract the nutrients. This can often leave us feeling tired and sluggish. By eating raw foods, we give our digestive system a break and allow it to function more efficiently. This can lead to increased energy levels and a greater sense of vitality. Weight management. Raw foods are naturally low in calories and high in fiber, making them a perfect choice for weight management. By incorporating more raw fruits and vegetables into our diet, we can increase our nutrient intake while keeping our calorie consumption in check. This can help to promote healthy weight loss or weight maintenance. Many raw fruits and vegetables have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a leading cause of many diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. By consuming a diet rich in raw foods, we can help to reduce inflammation in the body and protect ourselves against these diseases. Improved skin health. The nutrients found in raw foods, such as vitamins A, C, and E, are essential for maintaining healthy skin. These nutrients help to nourish and hydrate the skin, promote collagen production, and protect against environmental damage. By incorporating more raw fruits and vegetables into our diet, we can achieve a glowing complexion and improve the overall health of our skin. Incorporating more raw foods into your diet is a simple and effective way to improve your health and well-being. If you're looking to add more fruits to your raw food diet, you're in for a treat. Fruits are not only delicious, but they also offer a wide range of health benefits. Here are some top fruits that you should include in your raw food diet. Berries. Whether it's strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or blackberries, berries are a powerhouse of antioxidants and vitamins. They are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a perfect choice for your raw food diet. Enjoy them as a snack, add them to your smoothies, or sprinkle them on top of your salads for a burst of flavor. Citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, grapefruits, and limes are all packed with vitamin C and other essential nutrients. Citrus fruits are known for their immune-boosting properties and can help to ward off colds and flu. Squeeze some lemon juice over your salads or enjoy a refreshing citrus fruit salad to get your dose of vitamin C. Apples. An apple a day keeps the doctor away, right? Apples are not only delicious but also high in fiber and antioxidants. They can help to regulate blood sugar levels, improve digestion, and support heart health. Enjoy a crunchy apple as a snack or slice it up and add it to your raw food salads. Avocado. Yes, technically avocado is a fruit. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins. They can help to lower cholesterol levels, support brain health, and promote a healthy complexion. Mash up some avocado and spread it on your raw veggie wraps or enjoy it sliced on top of your salads. Watermelon. Nothing says summer like a juicy slice of watermelon. This hydrating fruit is not only refreshing but also rich in vitamins A and C. It can help to keep you hydrated and support healthy skin. Enjoy watermelon on its own, or get creative and blend it up into a refreshing watermelon smoothie. Pineapple. Pineapple is a tropical fruit that is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients. It is a great source of vitamin C and bromelain, an enzyme that aids in digestion. Enjoy fresh pineapple chunks as a snack, or blend it into a tropical fruit smoothie for a taste of paradise. Remember, these are just a few examples of the many fruits you can include in your raw food diet. The possibilities are endless. So go ahead and indulge in the natural sweetness and nourishment that fruits have to offer. Your body will thank you for it.